Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. We'll see this shirt in a few videos. I just felt like recording, so I hope you guys do not mind. But I did get a Colourpop haul that I did probably towards the end of February, I want to say. I think it was. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dee Dee. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with me. I do hope that you're enjoying my channel. I do a lot of things on my channel, from hauls all over the place. I love saving money. I will share those tips and things that I do and deals that I find. And I do makeup looks and all kinds of other things here on my channel. So hopefully if those are things that you enjoy, hopefully you will stick around and continue watching. So like I said, I did this haul whatever day that the Dark Vader palette came out. That's the day that I actually did this haul. And they still had their 80% off, up to 80% off for products going on. And I had a lot of the palettes that were in the 80% off sale. I had received most of them free because of purchases. I did pick up a few things. I don't recall all of the prices, but I will try to see if I can find my original email and I'll let you know what that is. I don't believe that it's still going on at this moment. The first thing that I did pick up were these lashes. These are the Colourpop Flapper lashes, faux lashes it says here. That is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. These are the lashes, super pretty right there. Super beautiful. Definitely excited to have these. I do like their lashes. I do think they have some great lashes and great quality. The next thing that I picked up is this Colourpop Pressed Powder Blush. And I don't recall, I think this might have been from the Orchid collection. I can't remember. But this again is in the color Just My Luck. That is what the box looks like. Super cute packaging. This blush would have went perfect with my look today. And this is the blush there. You could see that it's just a beautiful mauve toned color. I'm sure I have plenty of shades like this in my collection, but I just thought, why not? It was so cheap, I can't remember. The next thing that I picked up is the Colourpop Blush Stick. And I can't remember what collection this was from either, but it's in the color Skater Boys, excuse me, right there. And that is what that looks like. Super pretty. And I think I only have a couple of these, and I just thought I'd like to give them a try. I have a lot of cream blushes, so I definitely did not need this, but I just thought for how much it was that I should just go ahead and pick it up. So it's like a mauve toned color, and I'll show you, I did swatch it right there underneath, so it's super pretty. Very nice. It'd be really pretty to put that and then like that blush on top. The next thing is this Lippie Stix. This is in Sweet Stuff. That is the packaging. And that is what that looks like. Really pretty. How pretty that packaging is. And this is the shade. It's like a fuchsia. Right there. And I did tell you guys that I'm on a no buy. It's more of a low buy. I've been doing pretty good in my opinion. Not buying too much stuff. That is it right there. Now I have a couple mystery boxes coming up that I did purchase. And it's mainly just to see what's in them and also, you know, see products for you guys that I can hold on to for giveaways. I did pick up this Shimmering Body Powder. This is in Catwalk. Right here, super pretty packaging. You guys know I usually throw my packaging away, but when it comes to Colourpop packaging, I usually save those and I put them in my closet in a bag. That is what it looks like. It's coming off more reddish, but it's more on the maroony side. But I do save my Colourpop packaging because it's just too pretty to throw away, in my opinion. So that is what that looks like right there. It's saying it's such a good size too. It's saying a shimmery body powder, but honestly, I'm going to use it probably as a highlighter. I may even try to, it's right there, look how beautiful that is. I may even, like in the summertime, maybe just put it right in here or even on my shoulders. It just depends, but it's super pretty. And again, these were the up to 80% off products. And the next product is the Cashmere Forever. This is one of the little 5-pan palettes right there. This one just really stood out to me, and I think it was like $4. And I was just like, that's super pretty. The colors were just so pretty. I just thought they were super beautiful. And this, I did get this. I did pick this before I got my Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde. That is what it looks like. Super pretty. It looks like one of the shades might have a little nick, but that's okay. And I'm not going to swatch these because now that I have the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, I may use this for a giveaway. It's super beautiful and I do want to keep it for myself. I initially did, but that was before I got the other palette, so I may consider putting that in an upcoming giveaway. It is a Super Shock highlighter, and it has and it's called You Got Mail. It's in such beautiful packaging. Look how beautiful with the butterfly on it and little hearts and detail. Super, super cute. It's just in a, see that? How pretty that is? Wow, that's really pretty. So it's that Super Shock formula that you're accustomed to, that we're accustomed to with Colourpop. Really nice. Very excited to have that. And then the last thing that I picked up in this Colourpop haul, palette I had to get, this is the Star Wars Dark Vader. I had to get this palette because I have the Mandalorian and the Yoda, I think is what it's called. And so I figured I needed this to go with that collection. And I just thought these colors were so beautiful. And did I need it? No, but of course I wanted it. Looks like a few of my shades got damaged, probably in the transit. The palette looks like it does have a mirror. Super pretty. I'm going to just swatch a couple of them. I definitely want to swatch I Am the Master, which is that red. Right there. It's coming off a little orange, and it could just be, I don't like to judge them off the swatches. You guys know I like to see how they look on the eyes. The other one is Death Star. It's like a charcoaly gray color. Very pretty. And then let's see this one, Gone Galactic. See that right there? Look how beautiful that, wow, that shade is gorgeous. Has like some reflex to it. And then I'm just gonna do one more. I'm gonna do this matte Battle Station. It's like a taupey matte gray right there. Super pretty. Yeah, there's that palette there. Super pretty. Cannot wait to play in that. Definitely not going to take too long in trying to play in it. I want to play in it really soon. Very, very nice. So guys, that is everything that I picked up in this recent Colourpop haul. Like I said, I only ordered because of this palette, and I saw that they still had, it was one last day or two last days before the up to 80% was off. So those were a few things I wanted to try, and I thought they were such a great deal and thought I might as well go ahead and pick them up. So again, I did get that Super Shock highlighter. This is in You Got Mail. Super pretty packaging. I got the Shimmering Body Powder, and this is in Catwalk right there. This is the Colourpop Pressed Powder Blush in Just My Luck. Super pretty mauve tone shade. I got these lashes in Flapper. Right there. Super pretty. And then I got this blush stick in Skater Boys. Again, I'll try to get all the prices that I paid for these. The Lippie Stix in Sweet Stuff. Sorry, you guys, I could not get the name. Got this little Cashmere Forever palette. These are the little 5 pans, which are really good as well. So that is everything that I got in this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any of these, if you've tried any of them and what you think. You guys know that I love Colourpop, the brand. You guys know that already. So anytime I see a great sale, I definitely want to pick up from them. But I do need to minimize that because I do have so much already. And I definitely want to utilize what I have in my collection. I'm going to complete this video for today, but I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.